Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this very purple Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the palette Bling Boss. I thought it was a perfect palette for Valentine's Day. If you're interested, just keep on watching.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the color in the palette called Hush Hush, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to put this into my crease. I'm not being very particular about where I'm putting it. I'm just being very messy and I'm just putting it right into my crease and just creating that transition shade. That way we can blend our other eyeshadows because we are going to be working with darker ones well. Okay, so now I'm taking the next color, Rockstar, and I'm going to take a more dense brush and I'm going to be putting this in the corner of my eyelid, and I'm going to pack the color in first, and then I'm going to start blending it into the center of my eye, and we're going to try to create this very U shape with this color. And then after that, I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush and kind of blend those two colors together. Okay, so next I'm going to take another brush that's pretty dense and I'm going to take the color Mystic, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with Rockstar. I'm just a little bit darker so I can add more dimension to the eye. I'm going to pack it in first and then I'm going to kind of blend it in the middle to kind of create that blend of eyeshadows. I'm just going to go back and forth of adding product and blending it out with the big fluffy brush together, just so that all the colors are mixed well. So next I am actually going to take a concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid. This is going to create an actual eyelid for when we put our eyelid shade on. I'm just going to pat that out with my finger, and then I'm actually going to take a shadow called Ballsy, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to actually put that on my eyelids. Sometimes the brush cannot make it very opaque, so I'm just going to take my finger and use that to pat in that eyeshadow on top of the concealer. And then I'm going to add some more color just to kind of blend where I put that concealer and that eyelid color on. So I'm going to add more of those Rockstar and Mystic to the eye, just to create more dimension around the eye and to blend it out a little bit more. So for the under eye, I'm going to add Rockstar all the way across, and then I'm going to add Mystic to the very outside of the under eye to create a little bit darker color. So I'm going to take a color in the Jaclyn palette by Morphe. It's this little light pink color. It's going to tie in my eyelid color a little bit better because the eyelid color does have some pinks in it. So I am just going to add this to the corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. Next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to add some eyeliner, and when I do dramatic looks, I love to add a winged liner. I'm going to do it a little bit more winged out than I usually do just because the eyeshadow is so dramatic. I really want people to see the wing of the eyeliner. And then I'm going to add some mascara to my eyes, and so I can put on my lashes. I'm just using the Ardell Wispy lashes.
Okay, so that is the finished eye look. Like I said, I want to do a very purple, non-traditional Valentine's Day look, but I do want to finish this makeup look by showing you two lip products that you can use, or lip colors. So you can either go for a nude look to kind of focus more on your eyes. So I'm just going to add this Ulta Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the shade Courageous. And then you can add a little gloss to it. I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss and Creme Brulee. That way you're putting more focus on your eyes than your lips. However, if you want to just go all out and keep the whole face dramatic, you can do a colored lip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put dark lipstick on the outside of my lips and then a lighter purple on the inside. This is the Ultimate lipstick in Mulberry. I'm going to put this on the outside of my lips. I'm going to put a Maybelline lipstick in number 430, Magnificent Mauve, in the middle. Okay, there is my purple Valentine's Day look. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.